Sole Proprietorship, California. Everything you need to know. Compared to forming other types of corporate entities, creating a sole proprietorship in California is quite a simple process. It isn't even necessary to file any of the legal documents with the California Secretary of State in order to create your business entity. The 5 basic steps you must take to form a sole proprietorship in California are: 1. Select a name for your business. 2. File a fictitious business name statement with the recorder in your county. 3. Obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. 4. Obtain any necessary zoning clearance, permits, and licenses. 5. Publish an announcement of your new business entity in a generally circulated publication, such as a newspaper. Sole proprietorships in California are allowed to use any name you choose, as long as a similar name doesn't exist in the state and the name doesn't mislead the public. To see if the name is available, check the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, the California Secretary of State, and the Recorder's Office. The state of California requires that you file a fictitious business name statement in the Recorder's Office in the county where your business will be located if the name you've chosen for your sole proprietorship in California is not the same as your legal name. In California, there is a $26 fee to file the fictitious business name statement. Depending on your type of business, it may be necessary for a sole proprietorship in California to obtain 1 or more permits or licenses. Fortunately, the state maintains an extensive database containing every permit or license which a sole proprietorship in California might require. It is accessible to any business owner simply by visiting the CalGold website, which is maintained by the California Governor's Office of Business and Economic Development. Sole proprietors in California who plan to hire employees will be required to have an employer identification number, or EIN, for the purposes of tax withholding. Any business with employees must report wages to the IRS using their EIN. If your sole proprietorship in California will be paying a minimum of $100 to employees in any quarter, then you will have to register for a California Employer Account Number online at the California Employment Development Department, or EDD, website. You should set up a bank account for your sole proprietorship in California using your EIN and the fictitious business name that you've chosen in order to keep your business finances separate from your personal ones. It may be necessary for you to pay or report items like use tax or sales tax, depending on the type of business you will be operating. If you need help with sole proprietorship in California, you can post your legal needs on UpCounsel's Marketplace.